Can you blow? You are really weird.
Smoke-meister, smile!
You are really weird. What is it you want me to do?
Oh, there you go! You want to put it in on his tray? He's just going to take the whole thing and go face first.
That's what Brandon did, boy. He went face first right into his.
Listen here. Here you go.
Knock yourself out! Have at it!
I'm not quite sure about
Grab a
that.
handful of that and just stuff it in.
I bet he'll figure it out.
Oh, look at that.
Here. Here.
There it goes. There it goes.
Here.
Yeah. Good, Granny. Don't even smell good.
Try to get him to get a little bite so he knows what it is, and then he'll go for it, you know?
He eats ice cream and everything.
There you go.
at home.
It's going to end up on the floor.
Give it. Give it, boy.
The only time you're going to be allowed.
Oh.
Oh, get it away from me. He got it all over the table.
What you doing, Mom?
I'm eating paper.
Rip it open. Longer.
It'll be two time you get it unwrapped.
Hello? Hello? What?
Missy.
What?
Hey, can I actually
thought we were
skip
having
right there? Take
You gonna
that bluff
open it?
out of your mouth. You don't need that bluff right now.
Rip it open.
No, you don't need the bluff right now.
Rip it open. Get it. Yeah, get it.
Rip it.
You see.
No, no magazines. Here. Here. Here.
Stuck your corner for me, sorry.
Here. Rip it. Rip. All right.
Open it up, Logan. Pull it.
Pull it.
There you go.
Keep ripping. Rip.
I think they're doing something else, too.
Mm-hmm.
We flip it up. Oh. Missy will help you.
Rip it. Here, rip it. Rip it.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that.
Logemeister.
You gonna wrap yourself up?
What go get? Ooh, a big truck. Here, Granny. Ooh, look at you, pretty boy.
He's having fun ripping the paper.
That's the best part.
It's a funny noise, don't it?
I can imagine it'll be like at Christmas time.
Oh boy. Another
Rip
what,
it.
8 months?
Huh?
Another 8 months? Be a little terror. Especially if Carter and Jackson are here.
Carter now.
Guess what he's doing. He's...
Turn him around.
Here, go this way. Go this way. Here. Here. Now go.
Whoop!
Logermeister. Logo. Hey,
Whoop!
Logan.
Doppy.